Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
So size and length. When you start doing your content, decide what you're going to be putting it on. Are you going to make shorts, a series of shorts, or are you going to make a long form video? Prepare beforehand so that you're not, this is like a little map. You might make a little spreadsheet of what the video is going to include. And so if you say, okay, today I'm going to do my shorts, I'm going to do 6 shorts. I'm going to put it all in one playlist and it's going to be all about 10 steps too, right? And once you do that, how long do you want it to be? Do you want it to be 5 minutes? If it's going to be a short, it's going to be under a minute. And if you don't know what to say, but you know what you want to say, there's always ChatGPT to go in there and say, I want to make a video under a minute long, and I want to talk about 6 steps to helping a mature person create their YouTube channel, and tell them how long, like I said. And then ChatGPT will give you a layout. And then all of a sudden you can say it. You can just read or narrate from there, and then you've got a video. And there are a lot of AI programs that'll do this for you and add in the images, and you have a video without ever doing anything else. Now, remember that the shorts that you do are going to attract, probably in the beginning, more subscribers and more views. People love to scroll like some of the other platforms. So that's a really good way to get people to subscribe and to get views. And long form videos take a little bit more strategizing. You have a podcast or you want to teach something, it's a longer form video. It could be anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour or 2 hours. But you want to, if you're ready for that, that's fine. But we're going to talk about how to strategize that video so that you know how to keep people on there for the entire time that you're making these videos. Because if you make a 2-hour video and they're dropping off in the first minute, and you could have done a few things to keep that from happening, that's going to be an important conversation that we have so you can make sure you maximize the time that they stay on, because you get, I always call brownie points. You get YouTube brownie points for keeping people on. It's called watch time hours.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.